time to go ahead and make some variations for it, but it is just adorable. All right, we're going to try this because I over the weekend, one of the other things I did was last week or the week before, I went and got my eyes tested because it's been a while, and I've been waiting for COVID to settle down a little bit, and I decided I was just going to bite the bullet and go ahead and get my eyes tested. Oh my Lanta, I am struggling. So I am, what is the one? I'm nearsighted or I'm nearsighted. So I can't see far away. So we've corrected that. Well, now that I'm aging, I can't see near either. So I've tried, I wanted to get contacts again. I used to have them when I was quite young, but because my glasses always fog up at work and it drives me absolutely insane. Well, I am really struggling trying to find a pair that will fit both my eyes and, both farsighted, nearsighted. And so I'm hoping I can see what I'm stamping today. If this is a goat rodeo, I apologize already, and we'll go from there. So let's show you what the problem is right now is I know that I can't read the comments because it's too close. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll see. I did get a new pair of glasses. I'm not crazy about that either, so I don't know if I need to go back and get the prescription checked. I hate that when is better or B better? Well, I don't know. You tell me which one's better. So we'll see. But that's my life in a nutshell, and it's quite crazy. So Beary Comforting is just so stinking cute. It is 12 cards and envelopes. And there's some fun hip colors. I think this is the soft sea foam, rich razzleberry, and I would say this is probably Calypso Coral or Terracotta Tile. I could tell you if I could read it. Calypso Coral. So isn't that so cute? I love the colors. It's just, kind of fresh and fun. 12 card bases, a bunch of little die cuts, 12 fun envelopes. I do have at least 4 extras of these in the studio. So if anybody needs a pack of paper pumpkin, a fun kit for over the holidays, many of the, extraneous fun activities have been, postponed or canceled. So, now would be a good time to do a little stamping. But yeah, I do have a couple extra of these, and you can just pick them up here in the studio. All right, or I can ship them out. Who knows when you'll get it, but all right. Yeah, Adria was lamenting yesterday. She had ordered Ella's birthday present literally and I feel bad for the post office and the UPS and Amazon who they are working their little tails off, but Adria had ordered Ella's birthday present on December 4th. It was shipped out on December 6th, and it has been traveling around the US ever since. So poor kid. All right, so 12 cards. How fun is that for bases, even if you don't do anything else with it? 12 cards, 12 bases. Rich Razzleberry is your stamping spot, and this is You Are On My Mind. Hooray, get well soon, and this adorable little bear, which is just adorable. Then it also has, I forgot, these little die cuts. I believe there is 12, 4 bears, 4 little, I would assume this is raccoons, right? And then little koalas. And then it has some images that you can put in their arms, whether or not it's birthday present or flowers or cupcakes. So let's do a couple of these up and show you how cute and simple these are. All right, so the first one is we are going to stamp the sentiments on the die cut labels. What do you think? Shall we let's do 3 of them that say, I don't know. What do you want to do? It's Monday. These are hard decisions. 2 hard decisions to make on Monday. Let's find my stamp set. How about You Are On My Mind? And then we'll do one that says hooray. So Rich Razzleberry is the color of choice this month. You Are On My Mind. Whew. I was having a fair amount of luck using Rob's cheater glasses, so that might be just what I have to go to. Just skip the nearsighted correction and just deal with cheaters. I don't know. Kind of crazy. So, all right, so that one is hooray, and then we're gonna do, so this was a cute little paper pumpkin. This has been one of my favorites for quite some time. It's just stinking cute. Get well soon, hooray, get well soon, and I can't see if those are straight. I will let you determine that. All right, so let's see here. Let's do this one first. This is the little bear. We're going to use the You Are On My Mind. We're going to do the bear. Oh, no, the bear. And if you'll notice, there are little, there's a little slit in here so that you can tuck your little, whatever you're just, if it's a present or a pack of flowers. And of course, lots of dimensionals, so let's use those. So again, I think this one is, I mean, it is adorable, straight on, exactly as it is, but it is going to be really cute with some variations as well. So there is that. Let's go ahead and pop our little bear off here. Stinking cute, I'm telling you. And how about You Are On My Mind right there? I'm going to just attach that here and a dimensional on the bottom just so that it's in the same plane. You are on my mind. Okay. And do we want a cupcake, a heart? Come on. Oh, that is so cute. Let's go with the flowers because that is just fun too. So add that to the front. How cute is that? Oh, my Lanta, adorable. I see this is crooked, so let's go ahead and, I'm telling you, this pair of contacts is not gonna work. Back to the drawing board. All right, stinking cute. All right, let's move on to the next one. Oh, I love these. These are just so cute. Again, we're gonna add the little circles, dimensionals, right? Let's do dimensionals, keep things consistent. So again, if you have the grandkids coming or you need some cute, simple cards, this would be a fabulous kit to have. They're only $23. That included shipping to my house. So, you know, they're just stinking cute. All right, let's add the little koalas. How cute are those koalas? All right. And again, they have their little hands pop up. Do that before you glue it down. Their little hands pop up so that you can add a little something something in between them. Let's do the cupcake on this one. Isn't that cute? All right, already. There we go. Oh, it's so cute. I can hardly stand it. And hooray, hooray for birthday. This would be a cute one to give Ella. I didn't make Ella a card yet, so I do need to make her a card. This would be perfect for her. She would think it's adorable. I think it's adorable. So there's the next one. I mean, literally adorable. All right, and the third. I like this one. It has some square. I'm going to glue this one down straight on instead of using a dimensional this morning. Okay. Yeah, we want the little lines to go that way. And let's use the little, the cute little raccoon. He's so cute. Oh, you need a little something cute this morning. Alrighty. And add that here. Now this one does not have, it's crooked. This one does not have a slit in it, but that's okay. because we can just go ahead and add our flower or our heart right over, and it still looks like it's sitting right on his hand. Oh, for cute. And I have one that says get well soon. That one can go right on here, and I'm going to pop that one off as well. So that is your paper pumpkin. Oh my goodness, so stinking cute. And again, paper pumpkin comes once a month. It comes straight to your door. I usually order a couple of extra kits, so if you are looking to do a little crafting over the holidays, this would be a great kit to have. So thanks again, Stampers. Again, here it is, 12 cards. If you want to make them exactly like the kit, you would have 4, 4, and 4 of those, and have some really cute little cards to have on hand. So again, thanks for stamping with me this morning. You guys have a great day. I need to get some things done before I head in for a couple extra hours here today at work at the hospital. So thanks again, Stampers. You have a great day. We will chat again on Wednesday. Toodles, my friends.